Okay, we got a Chevrolet. Oh, GMC works the same thing. The 5.7 liter engine, which is a 350. Okay. What we're gonna do is change the map sensor. Okay. Now we're gonna locate the map sensor. As you see, I got all these hoses. All this is disconnected. Air cleaner, which all goes here. I got that all up inside the cab. Nobody's showing you how to do all that. Here, you just pull this forward. It's got a clip. See, you got a clip right here. Just comes right off. Okay, set that aside. Okay. Here's your intake right here. Now, the map sensor is, see if I can get up here. Alright. Map sensor is right here. You can see it right here. See where we at? It's right there. And there's a number on it. You can see. Number. Let me get a flashlight. Okay. Again, here's our map sensor right here. Okay. There's a number on it. I don't know if you can see it. It's 16 18 75 56. That's 16187556. That's the one for this car. Now it's got two clips. Okay, as you can see, it's got a clip here, a clip here. Okay, clip, and it's got a plug. So what we're going to do, we're going to pry it up. Okay. And we're going to change it. Okay, I have another one I ordered. Alright. This is the replacement for it. YCT0301 213-796. Okay. Box up. That'll give us one hand. Alright. There it is. Got plastic. Plastic. See if I can open that plastic up. Screwdriver half. Alright. Alright, let's do it. Trying to get the plastic thing open here. And hold the camera. Bear with me. Okay. There it is. Now there's no numbers on here that I can see. Okay, there's it. Okay, it's got three prongs. Okay. And it's got the two little clips. And all you do is just clip it where it's at and plug it in. Alright. We're just going to take, if I can get to it with all these holders in the way. Okay. Hold the whole camera and the flashlight, of course. Okay. What we're going to do see if we can just pry this up. Should just pry right up. Okay. Alright. There it is. And then you have this little clip here. You just pull right off. Alright. There's the old knock sensor. There's the old one. Okay. Set it on there. That's the old one. Okay. See, the end right there is broken off. That part is broken off. Okay. I don't know what would have broken that off. I guess that piece is down in the. We'll see what the piece in the manifold. See if I can get that piece out of there. But that's the new one. Alright. I think that was our problem. Just all down in there. Yeah, you can see the little piece in there. Okay, and I'm just going to pry that out with my screwdriver, and I'm going to install the new one. Okay, I don't think I'm going to be able to do that on camera. Maybe so. A tripod would come in handy. I have a tripod, I just don't have it over there. Oh, that's the flashlight. Or a helper. A helper would help. A helper would help. Sometimes these knock sensors get dirty and you can clean them and they'll start working again. Well, I ain't gonna be able to do that holding the light and the screwdriver and the camera, so I'm gonna shut the camera off. But you get the idea. I'm gonna pry it out of there and we're gonna install the new one. Okay. We were able to pry the piece out, and all we did was just plug the plug in and snap it into two clips. Okay. Then you just put everything back together. I'll tell you to change the map sensor. Locate it and change it. Like I said, it's a 5.7. It's a Chevrolet. GM would be the same. Most map sensors are going to be around this year model. This is the 98 body style Silverado. Okay, hope that helps.